So this is just the beginning stages of my Latrax Teton. I want to put some LEDs on here so I could see it at nighttime and be able to play with it. So I got these LEDs off of Amazon. I got the battery holder off of Amazon. And here they came in this bag. Hanbei is the name of it. Same brand who makes the LEDs that I got as well. So I got these. I only got these kind just because they had the nuts, see? They have nuts and lock washers on them. So I thought it'd be a little bit easier to put this into the case with the nut and the lock washer, which it honestly was, so that's a good thing. I used my helping hands to put them together and glue everything. I just used regular silicone, GE silicone. I just used clear silicone 2 or whatever it's called. I used to hold in each one of the lights, see? I used a little bit of silicone. Hopefully it holds. I didn't feel like using hot glue gun. You know, a lot of people use hot glue gun instead. I like silicone just because it's easier to get out when if I don't need it anymore. I can always scrape it out and get it out a little bit easier than hot glue. At least that's just my opinion, I guess. Yeah, so that's what I did. And then I put that in here. So yeah, I put that in these holes right there. That's it. Clamp them right in. That's what it's starting to look like. My lights. I'm gonna put 4 lights. I know I should only put 2 to make it look nice, but 4. I want to be able to see this thing in the dark, and it's a tiny car, so I want it to be bright. So I might even put another 1 or 2 lights if I can. I'm gonna put 2 red ones on the back, and then as many as I can on the front, I guess, without, you know, hitting the bumper or anything like that, or internal parts. So I'm just gonna put as many as I can. So like I said, and I got white lights in here. And this is, like I said, it's the battery holder I got. It didn't come with a screw. I had to find my own screw. I don't even know what size. Very, very tiny. I mean, really tiny, like almost sunglasses. Like the reading glasses, those tiny screws, like almost that size. I used for that, and it's going to hold it in. And I used silicone as well to hold that in, see? Because at least I'll be able to scrape that, and if I got to replace it, I can, and that's it. That's the beginning of my Latrax Teton with LEDs that I want to install on it. Oh, and look, there's my on and off switch in the top. Forgot. I cut that out. I'm not sure if it's in the on or off position, but whatever. I'll figure it out when I hook up the wires, but yeah, I put it in there. And this way it's not running off the battery for the truck. So I can control it and put it on and off as I need it to, because I don't want it to waste the batteries during the day if I'm not going to be using it during the day. It's only for nighttime use. So, alright, that's it.